Get away from me.
Why? What's wrong with that? It's natural.
Dude, get the fuck away from me. Dude, get the fuck out of here. What program are you in?
Cocksucking.
Then go do that elsewhere. Get the fuck out of here, actually.
Be nice to me. I came up to you nice, and you were getting mad for no reason.
No.
Yeah.
Either we can report this incident because the cocksucking thing is completely inappropriate, or you can get the fuck lost. Seriously.
Sorry.
You're 5 seconds. Get the fuck out of here.
Okay.
Dude, come on, really?
Sorry. Huh?